Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at the 3-in-1 accessories kit for the Nintendo 3DS XL and LL. This kit is designed to enhance your handheld gaming experience by combining comfort, protection, and convenience all in one package. First off, let's talk about the ergonomic grip handle. This isn't just a simple add-on, it's crafted specifically for the 3DS XL and LL to give your hands a more natural and comfortable position during long gaming sessions. With this grip, extended play feels much less tiring, and the anti-slip design ensures that your console stays secure while you're immersed in your favorite games. Plus, it doubles as a kickstand, so you can set your console up and play hands-free when needed. Next, the kit includes 2 sets of screen protectors. These are perfect for keeping your screens free from scratches, fingerprints, and dust. Along with the protectors, you get a cleaning kit to make maintenance simple and hassle-free. This combination keeps your screens crystal clear, which is essential for the crisp visuals on the 3DS. One of the unique aspects of this kit is the inclusion of 4 stylus pens in red, blue, black, and white. Since the grip handle covers the stylus slot, having extra stylus pens ensures that you're never left without a smooth, precise way to control your touchscreen. Each pen is designed for accuracy, so you can easily navigate menus, draw, or play games that require precise touch input. This kit is more than just functional, it's practical for both travel and home use. Whether you're gaming on the go or settling in for a marathon session at home, the 3-in-1 kit enhances comfort, keeps your console protected, and provides the tools you need for a seamless gaming experience. It's ideal for gamers who want to maintain their 3DS in top condition while also improving the overall feel of handheld play. So if you're looking for a way to upgrade your Nintendo 3DS XL or LL, the 3-in-1 accessories kit combines everything you need into a single convenient package. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.